Good morning, Monarchs, and welcome to the More Morning Show. I'm Sawyer Strout.
And I'm Adeline Ryan. We've got a great show lined up for you today, filled with updates, student life, and one classic More tradition making a big comeback.
That's right. We'll kick things off with the More You Know.
And we're wrapping it all up with the return of Photo of the Week. You won't want to miss it.
Let's get started.
Our word of the week is unity. Unity means being joined together with others to achieve a common goal. It's about teamwork, support, and shared success.
Whether you're working on a group project, playing on a sports team, or just helping a friend, unity is all about lifting each other up and getting things done together.
At Moore, we know that when we stand united, we can accomplish anything. Our intramural football season officially kicked off on Monday, September 8th with the first game of the year.
Each week, teams will compete against one another, all hoping to stay undefeated and to earn a spot in the final game against the staff. It's a fun and competitive way to build school spirit, encourage teamwork, and get students involved, both on and off the field. We're wishing all of the teams the best of luck as the season continues. All in all, it was an exciting opportunity for our Monarchs.
Speaking of exciting opportunities, our first 5-star event of the year was a blast. On September 5th, students who used their 5-star points enjoyed fun lawn games, otter pops, pizza, and even a chance to sponge the staff.
Big shout out to everyone who cashed in their points and made the most of it.
If you missed out, don't worry. More 5-star events are on the way, so keep earning those points.
Now let's head to Emerald and Ruby for this week's special announcements and updates.
Hello there, Monarchs. Thanks for tuning in to the weekly news bulletin. I'm Ruby Perez, here to share some new updates with you. Just a quick reminder, Makeup Picture Day is coming up on September 16th. If you missed the first picture day or just want to retake, this is your chance to get your photo taken for the yearbook. You can order your photos now at cherishedmemoriesphotography.com/order to make sure you get your favorite picture. That's cherishedmemoriesphotography.com/order. Next is Club Rush Week, coming up September 15th to 19th. It's your chance to find out all about the awesome clubs you can join this year. Different clubs will be on campus throughout the week, like esports, mathletes, JMBC, and more. This is the perfect time to learn about each club and see which ones you're interested in. So if you want to get involved, make sure to stop by and check out the clubs during Club Rush Week. It's time for our College of the Week, and today we're talking about Crafton Hills College. Crafton Hills College is a community college located in Yucaipa, and it's a great option for students looking to continue their education after high school. Their school colors are green and yellow, and their mascot is the Roadrunner. Fast, fun, and always moving forward. Crafton Hills offers a wide range of programs and degrees, and it's a great place to get started on your college journey.
I'm Emerald Perez, Ruby's twin, and clearly the better one. Mark your calendars because our first community night is coming up on Thursday, September 26th at 5 p.m. We're kicking things off with a movie night featuring the fun and colorful film Rio. It's the perfect way to relax, hang out with friends and family, and enjoy a great evening together. We hope to see you there. Finally, get ready for the Day of Awesomeness on September 29th, a fun-filled day of games, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Remember, you can skip 2 periods if you raised $50 or more in the fundraiser. That wraps it up for this week's announcements, Monarchs. I'm Emerald Perez, now back to the anchors.
Thanks, Emerald and Ruby. Now, Monarchs, we're bringing back a beloved Moore tradition, Photo of the Week.
This tradition, brought to you by our yearbook team, highlights a meaningful and memorable moment in student life, whether it's a big school event or a quiet, powerful snapshot.
Each photo captures the heart of Moore's community and helps remind us of the memories we're making every day.
Let's take a look at this week's Photo of the Week. What a great shot, a perfect example of how teamwork and unity helps us succeed.
And how friendship makes the journey a whole lot more fun.
Well, that wraps up this week's morning show, Monarchs.
Remember to show effort,
kindness,
and respect.
And as always, go Monarchs!